In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice chat on ChatGPT in a simple step-by-step way. If you want a faster, more natural way to talk with ChatGPT instead of typing everything out, this feature is incredibly useful. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, get help with writing, or just have a conversation by speaking directly into your microphone. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. You can use it on your computer or laptop, and once the page loads, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, look near the web address at the top of your browser. You'll see the site information icon, usually next to the URL. Click that icon to open the site controls. From there, click on Site Settings. This is where you can manage permissions for ChatGPT in your browser. Find the microphone permission and allow mic access. This step is very important because ChatGPT needs access to your microphone before voice chat will work properly. Once microphone access is enabled, go back to the ChatGPT chat box. At the bottom of the chat box, click the voice icon, usually shown as a microphone. This tells ChatGPT that you want to start a voice conversation instead of typing. After that, simply start speaking into your microphone. Ask your question naturally, just like you would if you were talking to a person. ChatGPT will listen to what you say and reply back with an answer. You can continue the conversation by speaking again, asking follow-up questions, or changing the topic whenever you want. If your mic doesn't work, double-check that your browser permissions are enabled and that your microphone is connected properly. Also, make sure the correct input device is selected on your computer if you have more than one microphone. Voice chat is a great way to save time, stay hands-free, and make your ChatGPT experience feel much more interactive. So now you know how to turn on voice chat and start speaking with ChatGPT in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.